Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be doing a full face using only my mom's makeup. She is a glam girl. She has a lot of makeup. She wears makeup every single day. And I told her, I'm like, Mom, when you're coming over, because she's also my executive assistant, because she helps me with my life and stuff. I'm like, just leave your makeup bag here one night so that I can use what you use and just do a full face using her stuff. I doubt that this is the bag that she uses. I think it's usually all in her purse. So she like just kind of threw a bag together. It's probably not her like everyday bag, but she gave it to me in a little bag. So I appreciate that, Mom, not giving me a little purse. But I really wanted to try out this video because she is a glam person. She loves to wear makeup and I give her a lot of my PR here and there. I just don't know what to expect, which is why I'm so excited. I have no idea what kind of makeup that she uses every single day. Because she comes over, she's already beat. And I'm like, Mom, you're coming to my fucking house. You don't need to do a full face of makeup. And she's like, yes, I do. I actually have no idea who started this trend because it was a trend a couple months ago. So I have no idea who actually started the trend. If you guys can sound off down below, I would love to find out who it was so I can link them in my description bar. Anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is going to be. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. I don't know what that was. I just like tutted. But if you guys do like this video, please go ahead and click subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you're new, what's up? I'm MannyMua and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being on my channel and joining the Maniac fam. And the way to join the Maniac fam is clicking subscribe and clicking like. Okay, cool. Let's go and get into this full face using my mommy's makeup. I'm so nervous. I haven't even opened it. I just zipped it right now. This is filled to the actual brim. Mom, are you serious? You use this much makeup in a day? I know I'm gonna find a lot of it in here because it is literally my mom's favorite brand ever since like it was on QVC. I'm sure it is still on QVC. My mom is consumed with It Cosmetics. Oh, this is cute. I see that she does use this quite a bit. This is the Urban Decay back top. Just a quick on the go moment. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry, I'm like overwhelmed. More It. Okay, more It. We have more It. I knew this bitch is gonna have a lot of It. I just fucking knew it in my bones. I don't see a primer in here anywhere. And I'm not gonna use her brushes because that's a little sick. That's sick. I can't do it. Like, I just cannot. Dr. Brandt Pores No More. Mom, I am proud of you. I am so proud of you. I actually love the Dr. Brandt Pores No More, so this is actually a big win. I swear, if she doesn't have concealer in here, I'm gonna scream. I used to be obsessed with this primer back in the day. I've literally gone through, I think, 2. There's so much makeup, you fall out of love for things, you fall in love with other things. It is what it is, but Dr. Brandt primer is so nice. It doesn't clog my pores in any way, shape, or form, but it does keep my pores looking nice and fresh and snatched. We're gonna go ahead and take, she uses the shade Light, Medium, and Medium. Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer. A full coverage moisturizer. I don't know if I've ever even used this. This is the CC Cream, and this is the Bye Bye Foundation. She has both of these. I guess she likes her options. Let's go and just try the Bye Bye Foundation first, and we'll see what it is. She loves this shit. I know she loves it. So I just did 2 pumps. How is it that my mom's shade matches me better than my own shades of things? By the way, I'm taking it on a Morphe beauty sponge. This is my favorite beauty sponge of all time. You guys already know this. I use it literally all the time. I have like 10 on reserve. Oh, it's oxidizing. You can use my code MannyMua at Morphe. Also, if you guys did not know, you can use my code in stores as well. A lot of people were like, oh my God, you can use your code in the store. What the fuck? I had no idea. You can totally say, hey, I want to use MannyMua's code in the store. Say MannyMua. And they'll be like, okay, cool. And they'll give you a 10% discount. Yeah, I know. It's fucking cool. I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't give me enough coverage. Fuck. But my mom's also not a full coverage kind of girl. Let's go and take a little bit of mix of the CC cream as well. Because I feel like the CC cream has a little bit more coverage too. Yeah, I think the CC cream has more coverage than the foundation does. It already looks like it's covering a lot more. Also, I'm taking it on a brush. This is the Morphe M439. The CC cream is actually really nice. It Cosmetics really cornered the market on mommies. They did that, okay, bitch? They did that. I feel like moms love it because it's infused with skincare and like moms like want to not have wrinkles, you know what I'm saying? If y'all ever want to sponsor me, hit a bitch up. Hit a bitch up. It's oxidizing a little bit now, but the coverage is definitely better. Yes. I look so natural and glowy. Still gives me some good amount of coverage. I feel like I look a little bit more tan, which I am never mad at. I'm just not used to this. This is not like the kind of foundation I use like every day or anything like that. This is definitely more of like a lightweight, natural kind of girl for me. I bet you guys are watching like, oh my God, It Cosmetics CC Cream's like my full coverage. And I'm like, no, I know. It can definitely get to full coverage, but it's just like the feeling on the skin. Feels like a moisturizer. It feels like a wet, it's like a wet feeling, you know? So we look natural and luminous and dewy. Now we're moving on to concealer. Please have one, Mom. You're lying. This is not what she uses as concealer. Perfect Lighting Radiant Touch Magic Wand corrects, conceals, and brightens. By It Cosmetics. What do we know? Please tell me this will cover something. What color is it? Oh, it's pink. I wasn't expecting that. That one came real left field for me, sweetie. Will this even do anything? Dude, she is a IT Cosmetics fanatic. I swear, if there's no other products that are not it in here, I'm gonna scream at her. I'm going to scream at her. I'm looking for powder. So we have the IT Cosmetics translucent powder and we have the Laura Mercier brightening powder, which are both amazing. So that, good job, mom. It's gonna get the job done. Like, it's definitely brightening. It has that pink undertone, so it's definitely brightening, but it's so on the natural side that this definitely doesn't give me like the coverage that I usually go for underneath my eye. And usually I'd be like, no, I can use this as my base and then I'll go in with a concealer after. But this is not what my mother does. I gotta listen to her on this one. I haven't listened to her in 7 years. No, just kidding. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit more of that Bye Bye foundation to hide the fact that I'm literally as pink as a fucking flamingo. And I'm wearing a pink shirt. That doesn't help. Damn, my mom really wanted to do me dirty, huh? She wanted to fucking do me fucking dirty in this fucking bitch, huh? Now we're gonna go and take the Laura Mercier brightening powder underneath the eyes and set these ojitos before they crease and crack, because I know they will. I don't think my face has ever looked this natural in my fucking life, other than when I was born. This powder you gotta be careful with because it does give you a little bit of flashback, so you want to take a little bit, a very tiny amount of it. Don't go overboard. This is on a Morphe M4 3/8. And then we're gonna take the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, or Bye Bye Pore powder. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to speak. And that's gonna go all over the rest of the face. I feel like this is gonna really help us. Powders always just give me that little extra oomph of life. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it really just helps a lot. Apparently my mom likes to look tan. I don't know who she fooling, but she ain't this fucking color. She is as light as me, girl. What if my mom doesn't have a highlighter? I never see her fucking highlight. Okay, luckily she has this back talk palette, which we can use as blush, and we can use it for highlighter. But I don't see a single fucking bronzer in here. She has a real concealer in here. I didn't see it. Sorry guys, I'm taking a little pause right now because we're contemplating life and the mistakes I've made in the past. I flopped. Honestly, I should have looked into the bag before. That's what I should have done. I'm sorry. I know I already said, but I'm fucking pissed at myself right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put Hourglass over this face, bitch. Oh, I'm so annoyed with myself right now. I could literally scream. Mom, you used fucking Hourglass? And you couldn't tell me? And we're gonna say that it was our primer. Yeah. That's what it was. I'm coming to life. The coverage is giving me life. I am so gagged right now. Like, y'all don't understand. Basically, just set our primer. And, you know, we pulled like a Jackie Aina. She uses powder early, so we're pulling a Jackie Aina now. Jackie. Take a little bit of the concealer, too, because I'm already breaking all the rules. I just want to see what color it is. I just need a little bit more coverage. Oh my goddess. I was literally thinking my mom flopped and she only used CC cream, always. And I'm like, wow, mom, like, I really am, like, proud of you, but what the fuck? And full coverage ass Bye Bye Under Eye from IT, and she has Hourglass. I had no faith in her, and she just restored it. So since my face is still wet, might as well take a little bit of that bronzing, this, like, multiple type stick from MAC. A little bit of love with my beauty sponge. It's actually a pretty nice fucking color, mom. It's not too bad. Blends out pretty effortlessly, actually. You know, my mom is technically the original glam girl in my life. When she would get ready before I would like go to school or like before she would go to work, I would go into her room and watch her do her makeup and be so entranced, and I would literally just sit there and watch her captivated. Okay, I'm going crazy now. Let me calm down. I never contour with cream. I don't know why all of a sudden I thought I was gonna be brave and pull this bullshit I just pulled. That was a bad idea. Okay, we might want to blend a little harder. That nose is so snatched. Holy fuck. Hourglass down the center of the nose. That's as good as we're gonna get. I just don't do that very often, so I'm not that good at it, the cream contouring. If I practice more, could I get good at it? Probably. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face now. Taking that same CC powder. You know, we gotta set this face. So we're gonna take that with the sponge and we're gonna put that all over. Why does my mouth look like it's seen some things? Fuck. Okay, you guys, so this is the face with the base. That took us a little while to get there, but we got there. Let's take some blush, and my mom has this cool ass back talk palette from Miss Urban Decay, which is cool because it has a lot of shit. And I think this is the only eyeshadow that she actually provided me, so that's really sweet of her. We're gonna go and take shade Double Take, which is like a blush shade. I'm gonna take that on a Morphe E4. We're gonna put that in the blush areas because all the bronzer we got is that little piece of shit bronzer that was cream, and we gotta set it. We gotta have some life to our skin. Now, my mom does like to go heavy with the blush. She's like one of those moms that like has blush on. You're like, oh hey, how's your blush? I mean, how's your kids? I'm just kidding, mom. Don't fuck me. Don't get mad at me. If my mom watches this video, she's gonna punch me. I'm literally taking the blush into my temples because I feel so weird with not having anything, like nothing. This is called draping. I'm currently draping right now. So now we're taking the shade Party Foul and that same back talk palette. This is a highlighter in here, which is great. My mom did not fail me on the highlight. I took a pinky champagne highlighter. I know my mom likes this because it's such a great on the go thing because it has like your face stuff and has your eye stuff in it. And the highlighter is not bad. It's definitely not bad, but it's not great either. It's not like a blinding highlight by any means. We're just building. We're just going to build it up. We're going to build it on up till we get there. Sorry, sometimes you just gotta go with your finger and really just take control. Okay, so we're done with basically the complexion because I don't see any other complexion products in here. And she doesn't have any bronzer. She just has the blush and the highlighter. I think we got to a good point. I think I look different, but I like it. I'm getting it there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm getting it there. This is the Dior Show Brow Styler. Mom, you use Dior? Why the fuck you're getting the fucking Dior is what I need to know. Are you sneaking into my room without asking? The camera fucking shut off and I was starting the brow. We're taking this tiny little Dior pencil and it's actually so cute because you can literally go like this and it's the tiniest little brow strokes. And my mom is not into the brow like that I do my brow. She's into a brow that's like feather, 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 feather. Like she's into a feather brow. So I'm just gonna fill in the spots that I'm missing hair basically. So that's very much like my mom. Not saying that she's missing hair. So I'm just gonna kind of fill in. I'll definitely do more my brow than not though. Okay, just light strokes. It's already filling in pretty nice. But that looks pretty good. It's like cleaned up, filled in, but not like my normal cut a bitch brow, which I live, of course. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we have the brows on. This is not how I do my brows usually. I also use that It Cosmetics brow gel to go through them. This is definitely more of like a sparse light brow for me. I'm just not used to it. It's not the brow I do. It is what it is. I think it actually looks pretty good. I think it's like a cool natural way of doing a brow. So now I can move on to the eyes and I primed my eyes off of camera, but I need to talk about this because I'm so proud of her for having this in her bag. My mom has very, very, very greasy, oily lids and I told her, I'm like, Mom, you need to try the Smashbox 24-hour eye primer and look how much has been used. Literally half of it. She uses this like every day. If you guys are oily on your lids and if you guys like notice that your eye like shadow doesn't stay a long time on your eyes or things like that, if you crease a lot, try the Smashbox 24-hour. It is so fucking incredible for longevity and my mom uses it all the time. I can see that. I'm so proud of her. She does have some Stila Shimmer and Glows in here, which I'm so proud of her. She has some Dose of Colors eyeliners, some Sheila Shimmer and Glows, which I'm so proud of because they're just like easy and chill and fucking awesome. But all we really have for shadow wise is this palette, which is actually adorable. Like there's actually a good amount of colors in here. It's definitely not bad in any way, shape, or form, which I'm really stoked. I was like, hey, like bring your makeup bag. And I'm like, do you have an eyeshadow palette in there? She's like, no, not really. And I was like, the fuck you mean, no, not really? This is basically her equivalent of makeup. So we're gonna take the shade Back Talk and what the fuck? It's like a brownie transition. You can't really do much with this variety that's right here. That's so much darker than I thought it was gonna go on. I'm taking this on a Morphe M4, very just large, fluffy brush. Usually when I'm trying like shadows for the first time, I always try to go in with a really, really fluffy brush. Even if you mess up, you can blend it away. So my mom's in here currently dissecting my work.
I'm like, where's your bronzer? Because I actually do use a bronzer.
No, you don't. This is what I want you to use.
I'm driving. I can't use that while I'm driving.
So you guys, this is also my mom's like when she's on the go bag, I guess. So that's why she has the things in here that she does.
It's the quick, easy
version of your makeup?
Yes. That's exactly.
Well, you got a lot of full coverage shit in there for quick and easy. How's that? It was too dark to put in my transition. It was way too dark. Tim Gunn says you make it work and you make it work. Should we go in with Pagale or we go in with Twig?
I say the shimmery brown.
That's what I wanted to go in with in the first place. It's stunning. I wonder where you got it. I'm so sure this is such a pretty color. Wow, I haven't even used this myself. A good old brown smoky eye. You can't go wrong with the brown smoky eye. I really went too far in with that. God damn. Okay, the blend is a little rough with the Shimmer and Glow shadows just because that's just what it is. I brought it too far up and I didn't blend quick enough, so that is just kind of how it goes. That is the top of the eye so far. Smoky AF. Just add a little bit on the outer corner because I just feel like you got to. If you're going to go in with the Shimmer and Glow shadows, what are you going to do? You're going to blend quickly. We're going to take that same highlighter from the Back Talk palette, put it on the brow bone since we don't have another option. Really packing it on and on the inner corner. Give it a little bit of a pop. There we go. That's so much better. I'm going to take that What the Fuck shade, that like really warm brown. And we're just going to smoke this out, put on the lower lash line. And that's going to be on a Morphe R42. Just like a large, big packing brush, but it's so fluffy and so large that it acts as almost like a blender as well. So I'm gonna go do my other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. So this is the eye so far. A little dramatic, and by little I mean fuck. So we have the eyes basically done. Now I'm gonna go and do some eyeliner and some mascara. So she has, this is the It Cosmetics, of course, superhero eyeliner. We have eyeliner! Oh my gosh! Okay, wing. Not too bad. Not too bad, It Cosmetics. There we go. It's a little bit out of place, but it's okay. Where's the cap? Ooh. Okay, guys, so we have that part done. I'm gonna go and do some eyelashes now. I'm gonna do some mascara, and my mom has Benefit Roller Lash, which I'm so proud of her for having. My mom has some really good shit in here. What the fuck is this, though? We have a House of Lashes eyelash curler. Okay, let's try that out. It's a good spring. So we're gonna go and buy some mascara now. Benefit Roller Lash. Save the drama for your mama. But I can't because this is my mama's. My mom did not put a pair of lashes in here, so I'm gonna go apply a pair of lashes myself because she flopped on that end for me. And I was like, girl, how can you not give me fucking lashes? You know I always wear those lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a pair of lashes and finish the other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back to finish up the lip. Okay guys, so I went and I applied some Lily lashes off of camera. This is the style Miami. Miami is the only pair that my mom will literally wear for any event. Okay, we have these little stick things. Maybe we should put one in my inner corner though. I don't know what the fuck this is, but it's a eye duo smoker. Probably not for the waterline. So now we are done with the eyes. This is it, complete. This is using my mommy's makeup. So we have options for lips, I think. We have Jouer, Dior. She's such a bright lip person. I'm like, can I find a nude in here anywhere? A YSL. This could work. The soft sheen. I cannot wear a full fucking red lipstick right now. Are you joking? We have Bite. What color? We have a mauve. Oh, we're so gonna do that instead. And she has a mini Urban Decay long wear. And it says Greca on it. We got this from Urban Decay. And my mom got her own little one too. Taking Bite lipstick in the shade Pink Salt. Without a lip liner, mom. Come on. That's actually a really pretty color. Wow. And so comfortable and smells so good. You guys, and that's it. That's it. This is a full face using only my mother's makeup. And honestly, I have to say I am highly, highly impressed with my mom's collection. And of course, she takes a lot of things from my house. She takes some PR and I give her a lot of my PR and a bunch of things like that. So that's why you guys probably didn't see any like drugstore anything, because my mom doesn't use drugstore. And actually, she's never, ever, ever worn drugstore. She always used a MAC. My whole life growing up, she always wore MAC. She was a MAC girl at heart. And now that I do what I do, she uses all different types of brands. So she uses a lot of Dior, I see. Apparently. She uses a lot of IT Cosmetics. She uses Urban Decay a lot. She has some Jouer stuff in here. We have Benefit. I thought this would be a really fun video because I knew my mom would have some good ass shit. I just knew. I felt it in my bones. She always wears makeup all the time. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun creating this. Honestly, it was so much fun getting to use my mom's makeup. It's just kind of like a reminiscent of like when I started in makeup back in the day when I was like 21, 22, and I would like go into her room and sneak her makeup and go play with it and like try it on in my room and practice. So it's just kind of like reminiscent of that, and I'm like, oh my god, like it's crazy how time has really done wonders for me and wonders for my family, and like it's just crazy to see like where I started and now where I'm at now. It's like it's a big deal to me. Yeah, I loved it. Thank you so much to my mom if you're watching this video for letting me borrow your makeup and your full face of Praditas. I don't know what I'm saying. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Have a great rest of the night or day wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And if you guys are interested in some of these products, I'll leave them linked down below just in case you guys are interested in them. Maybe, who knows? Yeah, that's it. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye. Brows are really trying me. What is this? I like when they're filmed. Hello. Hello. Like Mrs. Doubtfire. Have you guys ever seen Mrs. Doubtfire? If you have not seen Mrs. Doubtfire, can't even speak. I'm gonna put this back down because I'm overwhelmed. Oh my god, I look pink. I'm pink. That brush is disgusting. Mom, you need to clean your fucking brushes, sweetie. I literally was like, Thug Life, and I'm gonna go over my foundation. Should I take... oh jeez. Oh, it's all the powder, dude. Well, look who it is. It's my mother.
I need my bag back.
Do you?
No, I'm just
Okay, I was like, wait, what the fuck? Come on, we can go now because you're distracting me. And I'm gonna fuck up my makeup. Zaya, where the fuck are you getting Rice Krispies?